log p plus square root 2 base 3 is equals to 1, and log 2p minus q 2 base 2 is equals to 2. Find the value of pq. Alright, we have to get our two equations from this problem here. Now this same thing as saying p plus q is equals to 3. Alright, this is our equation 1. Alright, I told you when you're having a log to a number, you take the base. This one will come here. This is now 3 raised to the power 1 bracket p plus q. Do you understand? This q will go to this p plus q will go to the other side. Then this one will come here. Alright, that's like the fast process. So this 2 will come here. This one will go to the other side. We'll be having 2p minus q is equals to 2 raised to the power 2, which is 4, minus q is equals to 4. Equation 2. Alright, I've gotten our two equations now. So we have p plus q is equals to 3, equation 1. 2p minus q is equals to 4, equation 2. So using the substitution method, we have okay, let's times this one with 2, so we can cancel out the p. Alright, and times this one with 1, so we have 2p plus 2q is equals to 6, and over here we're having 2p minus q is equals to 4. Alright, so 2p minus 2p, this will give us 0. And over here we're having 2q minus q. Right, so it's more like this. We're having 2q minus q. Do you understand? And this will give us minus times minus is plus. So we're having 2q plus q, which is equals to 3q. So we're having 3q is equals to 2. 6 minus 4 is 2. So we're having q is equals to 2 over 3. Alright, so substituting q is equals to 2 over 3 in equation 1. So substituting q is equals to 2 over 3. We're having p plus 2 over 3 is equals to 3. Alright, so this 2 over 3 going to the other side. We're having p is equals to 3 minus 2 over 3 over 1. So taking the LCM of this now, 1 into 3 that's 3, 3 times 3 is 9, 3 into 3 that's 1, 1 times 2 is 2. So we're having p is equals to 7 over 3. Alright, so therefore q is equals to 2 over 3 and p is equals to 7 over 3. Remember, the question asks us what's the value of pq. Alright, so the value of pq will be 7 over 3, which is p, times 2 over 3. So pq is equals to 14 over 9. Alright, so this is your answer. Or if you'd like to change the mixed fraction, you'll be having 1 raised to the power 5 over 9. Because 9 times 1 is 9 plus 5, that's 14. Alright, so any of this, you are correct if you write any of this. Alright, so going to the next question now. Alright, question 4 says log 4 plus x in base 8 plus log y base 8 is equals to 2, and log x plus 52 base 4 minus log y in base 4 is equals to 2. Solve the equation. Okay, what I would like to do in this case is we'll solve for this equation first. We'll bring it to a term without the logs in it, right? So we can solve easily. So that should be your number one focus, is to remove the logs, right? So solving for the first one now, we have log 4 plus x, right? We know plus means multiplication, so base 8 is equals to 2. Alright, so this same thing I'm saying log 4y plus xy in base 8 is equals to 2. And remember, this same thing as saying 4y plus xy is equals to 8 square. Alright, so this is our equation 1. Okay, let's change this one. This 4y plus xy is equals to 64. This is my equation 4. Alright, so solving for the next equation now, we're having this is log x plus 52 base 4 times y is equals to 2. Alright, so we know this is 4 square. This one will come to that side and this one will go to that side. So we're having 4 square is equals to x plus 52y. This is same thing as saying xy plus 52y is equals to 16. Right, we use this on the times everything here, and this place is 16. 4 times 4 is 16. Then we just switched it. Alright, so this is our equation 2. So we're having 4y plus xy is equals to 64. That's our equation 1. Then xy plus 52 2y is equals to 16 as your equation 2. Alright, so this will cancel out. Then 4y minus 52y, that's minus 48y is equals to 64 minus 16 will give us 48 too. So we're having minus 48y is equals to 48. Alright, when we divide both sides by minus 48, this will cancel. You are left with y is equals to, this here 1, this here is 1, minus 1. Alright, so substituting y is equals to minus 1 in equation 1. So we're having 4 bracket minus 1 plus x bracket minus 1 is equals to 64. This is now minus 4 minus x is equals to 64. Alright, this one goes to the other side. We're left with minus x is equals to 64 plus 4 minus x is now equals to 68. Alright, then when you divide both sides by minus, this minus will cancel. You're left with minus 68. Alright, so therefore x is equals to minus 68 and y is equals to minus 1. And these are your final answers for question 4.